Hi, this is Maths 3000. Today I'm going to show you how to write down an error interval. Before you watch this video, you might want to watch my video on lower bound and upper bound. Right, to write down an error interval, you put the lower bound here, then you will need a less than or equal to sign. Then you need a letter in the middle depending on what the measurement's on. So if it's a weight, put a W in the middle. If it's a length, put an L in the middle. Then you have a less than sign, and then you have the upper bound at the end. So let me do a couple of examples to show you how it's done. So the first example, we have a weight of 60 kilograms, and this weight has been rounded off to the nearest 10. So first of all, write your 60 kilograms down. Now since it's rounded off to the nearest 10, this means that the scale is going up in tens. So the value above 60 on the scale is 70, and the value below 60 on the scale will be 50. Now if we go halfway between the 50 and 60, this will give us our lower bound. So that would be 55 kilograms. And if we go halfway between the 60 and the 70, that will give us our upper bound, which is 65 kilograms. So once we have the lower bound and upper bound, we can now write down the error interval. So we write the lower bound first, then we put a less than or equal to sign. For this one I'm going to put a W in the middle because it was a weight. Then I'm going to put a less than sign, and then at the end I'm going to write the upper bound of 65 kilograms. So this is the error interval, and it's telling us that the measurement could be anywhere between 55 kilograms and up to 65 kilograms. So let's have a look at example 2. So this time we have a length of 5.3 meters, and this has been rounded to one decimal place. In other words, the nearest tenth, so the scale will be going up in 0.1s. So again, if we write 5.3 down, so if we add 0.1 onto 5.3, we get 5.4, and the value before 5.3 on the scale will be 5.2. So again, we just need to find the halfway points so we can get our lower bound and upper bound. So halfway between 5.2 and 5.3 will be 5.25 meters. So that's our lower bound, and the upper bound is halfway between the 5.3 and the 5.4. So this is 5.35 meters. So again, all we need to do now is write down our error interval. So we put the lower bound first, which was 5.25 meters. Then we have a less than or equal to sign. Now since it was a length, I'm going to put an L in the middle this time. Then we have a less than sign, and then we put the upper bound at the end. Make sure if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.